What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. I made a short video today about the Mars protocol airdrop. This was for Luna stakers and holders. We have some problems to access this airdrop and to claim it because I once created a Terra address with my ledger and the Cosmos app, but now I cannot access that address anymore with my Terrastation extension. It's not possible. I will show you today what's the problem and how to fix it. So make sure to watch until the end of the video because this will be some very important information. Many people have this problem. Many people have their Luna stuck, their funds stuck, or they're using dapps in the Terraluna ecosystem that they cannot access anymore because of this problem that I will be showing today. So make sure to watch the whole video until the end. Let's get into it. First thing, if we go to the Terrastation extension, we need to access this with our ledger. So we click on access with ledger. If you try to access this with the Cosmos app, so you open the Cosmos app onto your ledger and now you click connect, you will see it says open the Terra app in the ledger. In the past, we didn't have this problem. We could just log in and we would have our address on Terra with the Cosmos app and the ledger. But now it's not possible anymore. So we have some problems because some protocols don't work with Keplr. We had some airdrops like Shade Protocol. You can see that in my previous videos. We could claim our airdrop and access it with the Keplr wallet. I will show you. If we click onto Keplr, and we just go to the upside, we can choose the networks that we want. If we then go to beta support, we search for Terra. If you cannot find this anywhere, you just have to go to Osmosis, enter the lab. Now connect your Keplr wallet. Then you go to assets. So if you see Terraluna right here, we click deposit. When we do this, this will connect with our Terra address. Look, this is my Cosmos Terra address. So this is the first address that I created with my Ledger and Cosmos app that I cannot access anymore now. So once you have clicked deposit and it connects, you will be able to see the Terra network into your Keplr. It will be shown on the downside, beta support, then you go down, you will see Terra. So that's how to access it into the Keplr. But we cannot, like some dapps. Just to give a quick example, I talked about Glow. This is a dapp where you can earn 24% EPY on your money and you have chance to win the jackpot in a crypto no loss lottery. In my previous videos I talked about this, so you can check it out. If we click connect, we can only connect with our Terrastation extension, so it's not possible with Keplr. So we have a problem to log in. So now the only thing we can do is open the Terra app into our ledger and then click connect, and this will connect and this will give us our Terra address. But as you can see, this address ends on cam, but the address that I need, my old address that I first created, this ends on 9Z. So I need this one to connect with my Terrastation, so I can connect my Terrastation extension to dapps like Glow or to claim my airdrop from Mars protocol. Because if we go to the page of Mars and we try to connect our wallet, we will see we can only do this with 4 wallets but not with our Keplr. So we cannot claim our airdrop right now. If we go to Reddit, you will see there are a lot of people who have the same problem and they cannot access their old Terra address. So if I went to Reddit, I researched almost 10 hours in a week, 1 hour a day or something, to try to access my money. But it wasn't possible until I found this way from a very kind person who shared this. This is a way, if you're staking Luna on your old address that you access with Cosmos, this is a way to get in. Every link that I use into my video will be dropped in the description of my video, so make sure to use it. You don't need to do the research, I will do the research for you and provide you every link that you need. So just click on to connect, then just access with Ledger. Now first, before you access, close the Terra app, open the Cosmos app, access with Ledger. And as you will see, this will access with Ledger. This is the address that I need. So now I have access to my address in the Terrastation app, but not in the extension itself. There it's not possible. It doesn't want to synchronize. So we still have a problem for the people who want to connect to dapps. So now that we have fixed for the people who had their funds stuck on the old address, now we are going to fix the problem how to access the dapps on the Terraluna ecosystem with the Terrastation extension. But the problem is we cannot log in into our extension with the Cosmos app. So we need to find another way. So I will provide you that way today. If we click onto Connect Wallet, you will see Install XDefi Wallet. We will click onto this and we are going to install that wallet. Just click Add to Brave browser, Add extension. This is the same for every browser, also for Google Chrome. It's just the same routine. This is now installing. Once it has been installed, just click onto extensions. I will pin this one so it's more easy to use. Click onto it. Welcome to XDefi Wallet. Just click Let's get started. Now this will provide us three options. We are going to go for the third one today. Click Agree to the terms and conditions. Go read them. Click on to connect. Now choose a password of choice. Once we have done that, click Next. This will take you to this page where we choose Ledger. Now put in your Ledger into your computer, put in your PIN code, and now open the Cosmos app, not the Terra app. Click Next. Now choose Terra. This one, Keplr, not Station. And now you will see your Ledger device must be set to the Cosmos application and not the Terra application. So I opened my Cosmos application into my Ledger. Now I click Connect. This is now searching for my address. Now this will show a couple of addresses. Normally it should be the first one, but if you're not sure, just go to your Keplr wallet. Go click on the Terra network. I already did that. Then just look at the address and compare it. 9Z. Alright, it is this one. So select that. Unlock selected. As you can see, import complete. So now we go back to the extension. Click onto it. This will give you a quick introduction. Make sure to read. Close. And as you can see, we now access our funds. I know, for an example, I have another asset and I will add this. This is how you add an asset. Just click Next. Confirm. Alright, now my other assets are also in my wallet. So now that we have done that and we can access our old wallet from Terra in this XDefi extension, now we can go and try to connect to a dApp. But the first thing we need to do, in the right top of the corner, we click onto this, and then we click onto prioritize XDefi. What does this mean? If you click onto this and you go to a dApp that says connect with Terra Estate extension and you click on it, XDefi will come above it. So this will connect instead of your Terra Estate extension, and this gives you the ability to access your old address. After that, we go back to the airdrop of Mars protocol. We click onto the airdrop claim page. If we are onto the page, we click connect wallet, and this will give us the option to do it with the XDefi wallet or the Terrastation wallet. If we take a look at the Terrastation wallet, you will see this is my new address that I'm currently now staking my Luna. So I connected this to see if I'm eligible for an airdrop. So once I have logged in, you can see I have no airdrop for this address. This is my new address where I'm staking all my Luna right now. Onto the old address, I'm not staking anything anymore. The reason I have no airdrop for this new address is because the snapshot was taken the 1st January 2022, and on that moment I was still staking all my Luna into my old address that I showed you that I accessed with the Cosmos app and my Ledger. Now I have already moved all my funds to this new address, so for future upcoming airdrops I will not have any problems. I will be eligible with this address and not with my old address. So now I know for sure that my old address is eligible, so now we are going to connect this with the XDefi wallet. We choose this address, click Next, connect. Alright, we are logged in, and as you can see, we have an unclaimed Mars airdrop. I will be making a short video today about the Mars Protocol airdrop, what it's about, how to claim, like I always do in my previous videos. I will give you another quick example because on the Mars Protocol, we could choose to connect with XDeFi wallet, but some protocols will not give that choice. I will show you. If we go to Glow Lotto and we try to connect, we only have one option, Terrastation extension. The reason why this works is because into our XDeFi wallet, we clicked on the top right of the corner onto prioritize XDeFi. This means that it will come above the connection of Terrastation extension. As you can see, if we click onto it, the reason why it's not working now and I'm accessing with my new address is because I am logged in into my Terrastation extension with my new address. So first of all, if it doesn't work, make sure to log out here. Disconnect. All right. Then we click again in the top right corner and we put this on and off. Then we just do a refresh. Now we click on to connect. We click Terrastation extension. And as you can see, now it pops XDeFi wallet because it's prioritized. Click onto it. This is the wallet you want to connect to. As you can see, this is the address that we needed. Select this. Next. Connect. Alright, we are in. So for everyone who has this fund stuck in some dapps, this is also the way to fix it. I hope this was very learningful. If you want to see more of this content, please leave a comment. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe because I will be dropping some more value in the future. Put on your notifications so you don't miss out on all the future airdrops that I will be providing on this channel. I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.